In this video, I'm going to help you determine if your wheel cylinders are bad. This is on rear drum brakes. The wheel cylinder is located right here. It is a critical component to your braking system on your vehicle. It operates whenever you push the brakes in your car. The fluid is going to create hydraulic pressure that pushes through, and it's going to expand the pistons that are on either end of this wheel cylinder, and it'll expand them outward. That puts pressure on these two brakes. These are called your brake shoes. They're crescent shaped and they cover almost this entire surface. So those push outward, and that's going to create pressure on the, this is called your wheel drum, and the brake shoes will actually, this surface area is where the friction occurs. As those shoes are pushed outward, they're pushed outward inside of this drum. That's why this is called a drum brake. So what we're doing here is we're looking to see if this wheel cylinder is bad. And one of the first things you should look at, once you get it all cleaned up, I already did that. That's why it looks so pretty right now. The first thing you should do to determine if they are bad is to check for leaks. And you want to move this rubber boot that's on the end. And this should be dry underneath, but you can see mine is not. It is leaking brake fluid, which causes a critical vulnerability in the braking system because it's losing that fluid, it's reducing that hydraulic pressure, it's reducing its effectiveness to push those pistons out, applying pressure on the shoes to apply pressure and friction on the drum. So that's why this is a critical component. So what I need to do now is I'm actually going to be replacing the wheel cylinder. We'll do that in a different video though, but I did want to take a moment to show you how to check and see if yours are bad. I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.